Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn the RabbitMQ and I am going to make few connections of RabbitMQ, and what we will discuss here, I am going to send some messages that will go to RabbitMQ, and then after we will receive the message. So let me start for it, and let me first start with Docker. So let me show you few things that I wanted to show. So I am going and showing you the Docker image that I have already configured. So if you will see here, I am having the RabbitMQ install in my system. And if I am coming here, if you will observe in the containers, so if you will see, one is already running, and that is nothing but RabbitMQ. So for RabbitMQ, I wanted to show you this also. In RabbitMQ, if you will see, this is my current overview. So this is the RabbitMQ dashboard, and here we can see all the exchange that is happening. So in this particular demo, I will show you how we are doing the message exchange. So let me explain more on this. So let me show you one more quick thing with the localhost. So if you will see, this is my localhost, and if I am running localhost 15672, this is the tab where particular RabbitMQ is running for me. So this is actually the port number that is running. So now let me open my Visual Studio quickly. So what I am going to do here, I am going to create one application, and one application is for receive and one application is for send. So let me quickly do it. Meanwhile, if Visual Studio is starting, I am going to open one command prompt. So just opening the command prompt, and once command prompt is open, I am going to my desired location where actually I want to run these codes. So let me go to there quickly. So I am just going to that particular location, and now what I am going to do, I am creating one more space. So mkdir mkdir I am doing creating one folder. So let me create with rabbit demo. So now I wanted to go inside rabbit demo. Yep. So this is done. Now what I am going to do, I am going to creating one console application quickly. So this will create a console application for me. So console application is created, and then after I want to create a second console application for me, that is nothing but receive. So I have already created one for send, if you will see. So receive is also done for me. Now let me go to Visual Studio, and I'm just going to open a project or solution, going to that particular location. So inside coding, rabbit demo, if you will see, this is my receive. So I am going to receive. I have already opened one. So this is nothing but my this is nothing but my receive. So let me go here. I'm going to change the program.cs to receive.cs. So let's quickly do this. So going to rename, I'm going to receive.cs. Perfect. So now I am going to create one more. So application is already created. I am just opening in the another instance of the Visual Studio. In that case, what will happen, you will understand properly how the things is happening. So similar things I am going to do here also. So I'm just opening this particular coding, going to rabbit demo, going to send, and I am just quickly opening the send. So here also what we will do, we will do the same thing, and for showing you what I am going to do, in half screen I wanted to show you this tab, and in another half screen I will go to show you this. So one place I am doing the send, and another place I am going to receive. I don't think so till this any doubt will be there. If there is any, you can mention in the comment section. Whenever I will get time, I will definitely reply back to you people. So now I am going to receive. So let me make it send.cs. So now the next thing what I wanted to do, let me again open the command prompt, and from the command prompt what I wanted to do, I wanted to go to the send. So let me do it cd send, and then after I want to install the package. So RabbitMQ client I need to install. So let me quickly do it from here, and the same thing I need to do it in the receive also. So if you'll see, my package is getting installed here. The similar things I want to do it here. So now I am in receive, and if I am going here, and if I am installing, then if you will see, this package is also get installed. Done. So now I am going to send the cs, and let me explain you what I am going to write here. So this is your send.cs. So first place what I wanted to know, like let me use system.text. So system.text, and second that I wanted to use is RabbitMQ dot client. So these two packages I need, and then after post adding this package, uh, first thing that we need to do, we need to create a factory first. So let me quickly create a factory for you. So if you will see here, it will be factory equal to new, it will be connection factory, and connection factory will have some name. So let me quickly give host name equal to localhost. Perfect. So local host. Perfect. So let me come in the next line. So if you will see, it is automatically showing me a variable connection. So let me do that, create connection, and then after what I need to do, now my factory is created, my connection is also created. Now I need to create the channel. So let me use using variable channel equal to connection dot, it will be create a model for me. Perfect. Once I will have this particular model, then I am already having the channel. So channel dot, I need to declare my queue. So if you will see, I need queue declare, I need to declare it first. So I believe we can use this. Yep. So queue declare, then you need to give the queue name. So queue name, for the time being, what I am going to give, so let's, my name I am giving Vavo, and then after demo, then after send. Okay, so this is the queue name that you are seeing I have already given. And then after, let's come to the second argument. So what will be the second argument? Second argument is durable. So durable, currently I am making false, and then after exclusive, exclusive also I am making false. Then after, let me auto delete, same, let false. And any arguments? No, right? So let's make it null. And now my channel queue declaration is done. Then after, once your queue declaration is done, then let me add some string. So let me const string. This is my message that I wanted to show. So let me give whoever is sending me from send.cs. Perfect. So this is the message. Let's not rename it. Then after, what I need to do, I can convert this particular message to UTF string, so it will be easy to send. And now message is done. Now what I need to do, I need to do the publish this particular message. So I need to define the routing key also in this case. So let me do the exchange. So if I am coming here, now you will see channel dot basic exchange, basic publish. So basic publish, what we will do, we will do exchange from, correct. So let me add exchange, and then after this will be string dot empty for the time being. Let me do it routing key. So routing key, what I am going to give, routing key I am giving same web demo send. You can give any routing whatever you want, but I given the same, just to make it very clear. Then after, let me write routing key, then basic property, my bad, it will be basic property will be null and body. Okay, let me quickly add this. So if you will see, I am almost done. Let me do it proper formatting for making more understandable. So now my publish is also done. What I need to write now, I'm just writing very small thing. So if you will see console.write line, and this is your send message. Okay, so this message will go. Now in the similar way, what I need to do in the receive also, I will do the same thing. So in the receive, for the time constraint, what I am doing, I'm just already written the code, I'm just pasting the same code, and I will make you understand. So here also I did the same thing. I am making the connection factory, then connection, then channel, and here I need to give my particular name, from where, which queue I want to take it. So from this queue I want to take it, so I need to give the queue name. So if you will see, it is the queue, this is the queue and waiting for the message. And once you will see here eventing basic consumer, I mean, so we are creating a consumer. That consumer is nothing but it is taking a message. So here if you will see, this is a delegate, it is taking model and EA. So EA is nothing but from the body, whatever the array, it will put it in the body, and in the message we are again doing the, here we are doing the encoding. So the message encoded in this format. So in the similar fashion, whatever we are getting in body, we are just encoding towards the message, and then after we are showing in the receive message. So this is what one thing that we have already done. Now what I am doing, let me first show you how it is looking here. So if you will observe, here I am not having anything. I'm just quickly going to queue. So if you will see, once I will run this particular code, so this is your send. So if you will see, it is running. If you will see, this is what it will be. So now if you will see here, if you observe, sent Vavo is sending me from send.cs, and here if you will see Vavo demo send, it's came here. And if I am going to particular exchange, or let me click here, okay. So if you will see, one message is already went to the send, but no one is received it. So it is ready to receive. So if you will see, ready is 1 and total is 1. So now let me show you the binding part also. In the binding part, this is the queue, this is the published message. Okay, now let me quickly make this part this side. And what I am going to do now, I am receiving this. So if you will see, I just now run the receive project, and you can observe this how it is looking. So for the receive, if you will see, so waiting for message, and here you will see received Vavo is sending me from send.cs. So I have received the message, and once I received the message, quickly if you will observe here, the ready become 0 and total become 1. So this is the operation of queue. And if you will see the timing here, the you received one message and you sent one message. So this is for sending, and this is getting delivered. So this is all about RabbitMQ. And if you will see, it is running here. And let me show you the console also to you, so if it will be more easy to you to understand. So here I am sending the message, here I am receiving the message, and here is my message queue. So here is my queue and stream. So if you will see, this particular Vavo demo sent, that I sent. So that's all guys, for this video. Later I will come back with many more. So this is just a message exchange from RabbitMQ with Docker. So thank you so much. Here also you will see the same thing if I am showing you. So this is the same instance that you can open it from here also. Thank you.